So the wife and I have an Etsy shop. Got a couple orders for some bracelets for the after Christmas season. I'm going to show you how I make them. So we've got this all stamped out. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. Come on. Got it stamped out. Got some black alcohol-based paint down in the letters. Got my holes marked out. Got my edges filed off so they're not going to cut anybody. Next step on this will be to drill the holes, but what I'm going to do next is make the actual bracelet part. Here we go. Okay, so I went and drilled the holes, didn't take you guys out there with me, sorry about that. Drilled the holes, we're gonna match this up to the bracelet, get the holes put in the bracelet, get the bracelet stained, get it all put together. Let's go. And there is our finished product. A leather bracelet, some stamped tin. This one says Eucharisteo. We've got our clasps at both ends. The leather is taking the stain very well. And that, my friends, is how I make a bracelet. Have a great day.